Welcome to Quiz Time Discover India. Test your knowledge about India with 10 fun questions. You'll get 10 seconds for each question. Let's begin. Don't forget to write your score in the comment box at the end. Let's begin. Which Indian city is known as the City of Joy? The answer is B. Kolkata. The Hornbill Festival is celebrated in which Indian state? The answer is B. Nagaland, who became the first Indian athlete to win an individual Olympic gold medal. The answer is A. Abhinav Bindra. In which state is the classical dance form Kathakali traditionally performed? The answer is B. Kerala. What is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh? The answer is A. Itanagar. Which state is famous for the traditional folk dance Garba? Answer is C. Gujarat. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? The answer is A. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The festival Losar marks the new year in which Indian region? The answer is B. Ladakh. What is the traditional attire for men in Assam during Bihu festival? The answer is C. Dhoti and Gamocha. Who is India's first badminton Olympic medalist? The answer is A. Saina Nehwal. If you enjoyed the quiz, please like this video and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming quizzes and fun facts. Drop your score in the comments below. We'd love to see how well you did. See you in the next quiz. And until then, keep exploring and stay curious.